today's video, I'm going to show you what's inside of the desert temples and try to attempt not to get exploded. No! Okay, good. So there's bones, gold ingots, and a lot of pieces of what's called again? Rotten flesh. Around the pressure plate. Pressure plate. 4 bones, 4 iron ingots, 2 gold ingots, 3 rotten flesh. That was the other one. Here's the other one. It has 3 gold ingots, 9 bones, and 3 pieces of rotten flesh. 2 gold ingots and 3 pieces of rotten flesh. So let's get. Wait, no. Before we go, I'm gonna see if there's more stuff. Okay, of course not. Let's just blow up. Oh gosh. That was an extreme explosion. Now I'm just gonna get out of here because we have another temple to explore. And this is the same seed as the seed that I told you and shared in the other video. Okay, let's attempt this. Let's do a good. No! No! Okay, let's try that again. That was the wrong seed. Good, okay, let's try that again. Here we go. This is not going to be very nice. You know what? I'll just open up the whole thing. I'm scared. Oh, I am scared. Whew. 9 bones and 3 pieces of rotten flesh. 2 emerald. 4 bones. 9 pieces of rotten flesh. What a waste. And 6 gold ingots. 13 gold ingots. 4 what's it called again? Iron ingots. Not 8 emerald. An emerald. 4 pieces of rotten flesh. Was that all of them? Whoopsie daisies. Oh yeah, there's one more. A diamond. Whoa, that's a lot of rotten flesh. Well, I'm not gonna count how many pieces of rotten flesh there is. 4 pieces of bones. Gonna break that too. That's where all the TNT is. That's so sad. Why did they have to do this to me? Ugh. Now I know how they work. Now I will be much more careful about what I do in desert temples. In any temple, actually. So, I'm sorry about the change in my, skin, but I had to do it. It's just so cute. So, that's the end of today's video. I'll be uploading another one soon, but until then, bye. Yeah, that's all I have to say. So, bye.